Hello there. Well, we're at Yellowcraig Caravan and Motorhome club site near North Berwick in Scotland. We got here yesterday. It's a bit grey. I'm just up early and having a little site explore while everybody else is getting up. So I'll show you around. So that's the entrance to the site. You come in via this road here from a little village called Durlton. It's quite a narrowish road, but not too bad. And just beyond the entrance is I think it's a public car park, and an entrance down to beyond those trees is a beach, which we'll have an explore of later. Yeah, so we arrived here yesterday, about 250 miles nearly from where we live. Stopped off once for a little comfort break on the way, which is quite stressful because I had to reverse out the parking spot, so that was exciting. And we got here yesterday, as I say, quite late, a bit tired. Went into North Berwick, had fish and chips and vegan versions of, and then we also what we did we put the awning up. It's very rare we put awnings up, but we did it this time. I think it's the first time I put the awning up since Sandringham, which was about a year ago. It didn't go too bad, to be honest. The awning rail, because it's the first time it had been used on the Caravan, was a little bit sticky, so it took a bit of tugging through certain points. They always leave a little bit of mastic in there just to catch you out, don't they? And the site is full. And there's a reception and the check-in point. Mobile reception's pretty patchy at best, and Wi-Fi is non-existent apart from a hotspot near reception, which seems to have a congregation of people all sat around it at the moment, catching up on emails and what have you, and doing a bit of browsing. And we'll be glad when all the sites are fully equipped. We're supposed to upgrade them all this year to proper Wi-Fi everywhere. Facilities blocks, all the usual stuff. A little playground, and although pretty basic, is a good meet-up point for all the kids. Little Hey-Ho's already managed to meet a few last night, so that's good for her. Oh, and speak of the devil, arising from their slumber. And that's where we are. That's our spot, and we're parked so close to the water and waste. We could all be on a service pitch if we ran some hoses across the road. And that's the awning. It's very rare we put the thing up, but we thought because we're here for 10 days, we have a bit of comfort and space. Good night's sleep?
Yeah.
Do you like being in the awning? One thing we did notice after this tour, the amount of, I had to pick up on the camera, but there's so many dead bugs on here. And the front of the Caravan had lots on the side, which we've managed to wash off with a bit of water. We've been in two minds about getting a towing cover, but it seems such a lot of money on something you're not sure about. So we're gonna, I don't know, in two minds. Would you recommend getting a towing cover? Would you not? Are they a waste of time? Is it just something else to carry around and it fit? Let us know in the comments below. Right, we've had a relaxing morning and we're heading off. Little explore, we're going to walk down to Yellowcraig beach, which I think is just out the campsite, and turn left through some trees and we're there. It's supposed to be windy, so we're going to take a kite And we've got a little picnic with us as well, in a VW bag. So we're trendy campers. Oh, hello for everybody else as well. I don't think everybody else has appeared yet, have they? Say hello.
Hello.
Actually, I'm amazed how warm it is. It felt really overcast, didn't it? And then the heat's come out. This is the public car park near the beach, which I think you get to down there. Been a motto of mine. And there's another big play park through here. That looks really nice, hidden away in the trees. And there we have it, miles of golden sand. Miles and miles of empty beach. It's a bit windy and blowy, but it's reasonably warm. we spent the day at the beach. It was lovely and sunny, and then we headed back to the caravan, had a bit of a rest, and borrowed... Oh, it's just crashed, hasn't it? And we borrowed a kite from the people here. We've got one. We brought one with us, a kite with us, and a bit of it's broken or gone missing. So we borrowed this one off the campsite. We're getting one delivered. It's going to land on my head. Just walking back from our rather unsuccessful kite flying, and there's another Bailey Discovery D44, one of the new ones on the site. How exciting! So there's one behind me and one in front of me. Alright, it's night time and we're settling down to traditional caravan geeky board games. This one is Dungeons and Dragons version of something, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, and yeah, all good fun.
Adventure begins.
What'd you get? 6, is
Six. Yeah.
Is that a miss or a hit?
A hit.
Alright, how much points of damage?
1 point of damage.
Excellent, well done. Right, we're up to the final bad guy. What's he called? On the fire giant. I'm about to take him out.